Most people think joint pain is a life sentence, but in Japan, wellness masters use 5 specific chair movements to unlock stiff joints in minutes. If you struggle to stand up without a groan or find the stairs are getting harder, this is for you. Today, I'm showing you the exact routine used to restore mobility and win back independence, all without standing up once. These moves are science-backed, gentle, and designed to lubricate your joints from the inside out. Let's reclaim your vitality, starting with our first move, the Rising Sun Shoulder Release. Our first movement is the Rising Sun Shoulder Release, inspired by the sun gently cresting the horizon. So much of our stress, physical and emotional, gets trapped in our neck and shoulders. We clench up when concentrating or sitting for too long. This move is designed to melt that tension and restore mobility to this critical area. Let's begin by finding our foundation. Sit tall, scooting to the front third of your seat. Keep your feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart, with knees stacked directly over your ankles. Place your hands gently on your thighs. Imagine a string pulling the crown of your head toward the ceiling, lengthening your entire spine. This is our seated mountain pose. It immediately improves posture and brings mindful focus to the body. Now for the movement. On your next inhale, slowly lift your shoulders straight up toward your ears. Imagine trying to touch your earlobes. Don't strain. Just gather that energy and hold it for a moment. As you exhale slowly through your mouth, roll your shoulders backward. Feel your shoulder blades slide down your back, opening your chest. Let the shoulders feel heavy as they complete the circle, melting away the day's tightness. Let's do that again. Inhale, lift high. Feel the deliberate engagement of the muscles. Now, exhale and roll them back and down. Imagine drawing a perfect, smooth circle with each shoulder. We'll continue for a few more reps, syncing breath to movement. Keep your neck long and relaxed. Your head stays still while the shoulders do the work. Inhale, lift. Exhale, release. Feel the gentle warmth spreading across your upper back, that is circulation returning to those tight muscles. If a full circle feels like too much today, simply make the rolls smaller. You are still lubricating the joint and releasing tension. Let's do 2 more together. Inhale, lifting high. Exhale, rolling back and down, opening the heart space. One last time. Inhale, gather any leftover tension. Exhale, let it all go. Now, we reverse the direction to create balance. As you inhale, lift the shoulders up once more. On the exhale, roll them forward and down. You'll feel a deep stretch between the shoulder blades. This direction is perfect for countering the hunch from computers or phones. Let's do 3 more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, roll forward and release. Now, return to stillness. Close your eyes and notice the new sense of space across your collarbones. You've just taken a wonderful first step in releasing chronic tension. Exercise 2. The Gentle Willow Spine Flow. Our second movement is the Gentle Willow Spine Flow. Inspired by the willow tree known for its ability to sway in strong winds, without breaking, this move reintroduces fluid motion to a rigid spine. From sitting too long, our backs can become stiff, leading to chronic pain. This flow, based on the classic seated cat-cow, is designed to boost flexibility and ease that nagging ache. Begin from your strong seated mountain pose. Sit tall, feet flat, and knees over your ankles. Place your hands on your knees, fingers pointing in or wrapped gently around your kneecaps. Your hands are your anchors here. Keep your hips grounded firmly in the chair. All movement should come from your spine, not from rocking your hips. We'll start with the cow position. As you take a slow, deep breath in, begin to arch your back. Send your chest forward and up toward the sky. Your gaze will naturally lift as your belly softens. Imagine creating a gentle U shape with your spine. Feel that wonderful opening across the front of your body. Use your hands to gently pull against your knees to help open the chest. Now for the cat position. As you exhale, do the exact opposite. Tuck your chin toward your chest and actively round your spine, like an angry cat. Gently press your hands into your knees to deepen that curve. Feel your navel pull back toward your spine. You'll feel a magnificent stretch from your neck all the way down to your lower back. Now, let's link them. Inhale, slowly arching the back and lifting the chest. Exhale, slowly rounding the spine and tucking the chin. Continue this fluid motion, letting your own breath set the rhythm. This is a moving meditation for your spine. If your back feels extra stiff, keep the movements small. Let's do 2 more reps. Inhale, chest forward, creating space. Exhale, spine rounds, releasing the lower back. Last one, make it a full, mindful expression. Inhale, arch, and exhale, round. Slowly return to a neutral, tall spine. Pause in your mountain pose and observe the energy returning to your core. Wait until you see move number 4. It's the secret to balance and building the leg strength you need to stay independent. But first, we must unlock the spine's rotation with our third move. Exercise 3, the peaceful river twist. Our third move is the peaceful river twist. Think of a slow-moving river. It doesn't force its way through obstacles, it simply flows around them. This seated rotation improves spinal mobility, aids digestion, and is fantastic for easing back pain. Remember, a healthy spine doesn't just bend, it must be able to twist. Begin in your tall, seated position. Feet flat, spine long. Inhale deeply and imagine creating space between every vertebra. That length is the secret to a safe twist. We'll start by twisting to the right. Place your left hand on the outside of your right knee and your right hand on the chair behind you. Inhale, grow as tall as you can. As you exhale, begin the twist from your belly, then your ribs, then your chest. Your head should be the last thing to turn, looking gently over your shoulder. Keep your hips square and grounded. Hold and breathe. With every inhale, find more length. With every exhale, explore a millimeter more of rotation. Imagine gently wringing out your spine like a washcloth, releasing stored stiffness. Take one more deep breath here. On your next inhale, slowly unwind back to center. Now, let's balance the body. Take a breath and find that length again. Place your right hand on your left knee and your left hand behind you. Inhale, grow tall. As you exhale, rotate from your core to the left. Check in with your body. Are you forcing it or letting your breath guide you? This side may feel different, and that's perfectly normal. Twisting also gives your internal organs a gentle squeeze, stimulating your system. Take 2 deep breaths, lengthening as you inhale and revolving as you exhale. On your next inhale, carefully return to center. Return to your seated mountain pose and notice the new sense of mobility in your back. Now, stay focused because we are moving into move number 4. This is the secret to balance and building the leg strength you need to stay independent. Exercise 4, the strong mountain foundation. Our fourth movement is the strong mountain foundation. While the other moves focused on flexibility, this is about building strength. In Japanese culture, there's deep respect for things that are solid and enduring, like a mountain. This chair squat variation is designed to strengthen your body's biggest muscles, your glutes and legs. This is the strength that keeps you independent. It allows you to climb stairs confidently and maintain the balance crucial for reducing fall risks. To begin, stand in front of your chair, facing away. Place your feet hip-width apart. Your toes can point forward or slightly out, whatever feels best for your hips. Extend your arms for balance and inhale. As you exhale, hinge at your hips and bend your knees. Lower your hips back toward the chair as if you're about to sit. The goal is to lower yourself until you just barely touch the seat, then immediately press through your heels to stand back up. Keep your chest lifted and weight in your heels. You should be able to wiggle your toes. Squeeze your glutes at the top. If the full range is too much, simply lower a few inches. Alternatively, you can sit down fully between reps, focusing on the power needed to stand back up. Let's do 5 reps together. Inhale at the top. Exhale, lower with control, hips back, lightly touch. Inhale, power up through the heels. That's 1. Exhale and lower. Keep that chest proud. Inhale and rise. Feel the strength in your legs. This is functional power for life. 2 more. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, rise. Last one, make it your strongest. Exhale, control the descent, and inhale, rise. Wonderful. Shake out your legs. You've just made a direct investment in your stability and independence. Take a moment to feel that grounded, mountain-like strength in your foundation. Now stay with me for our final move. It isn't a physical exercise, but it might be the most profound step in calming your entire system after the work we've just done. Exercise 5. The calming ocean breath. Our final move isn't a physical one, but it might be the most profound. We're going to practice the calming ocean breath. This powerful technique aligns perfectly with the Japanese wellness concept of nurturing a tranquil spirit. The gentle sound it creates is like the rhythmic waves of the ocean, a sound scientifically shown to switch your nervous system from fight or flight into rest and repair. After moving the physical body, this is our essential window to soothe the mind. Please have a seat back in your chair. Find your tall, seated mountain pose one last time. Feet flat, hands resting on your thighs. You can gently close your eyes if you feel comfortable, or simply soften your gaze on the floor a few feet in front of you. First, just bring your awareness to your natural breath. Don't try to change it yet. Just notice the cool air coming in and the warm air going out. Now, we'll add the ocean sound. This comes from a very slight constriction in the back of your throat, much like the sensation of trying to fog up a mirror with your mouth closed. Take a breath in, and as you exhale through your nose, gently create that soft, whispery, oceanic sound. It should be audible to you, like a distant tide, but never strained. Let's apply that same whisper to the inhalation as well. As you inhale through your nose, create that soft sound. As you exhale, maintain it. Let's practice together for a few rounds. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. And exhale, 2, 3, 4. Again. Inhale and exhale. Continue this rhythm on your own. Imagine that with every inhale, you're drawing in calm, restorative energy. With every exhale, you're releasing any lingering tension, any stress, or any remaining ache. The sound of your breath becomes an anchor, keeping your mind right here in the present moment. This is mindfulness in action, a tool that lowers cortisol and boosts your mood instantly. Let the rhythm of your breath wash over you for a moment longer. Feel the profound connection between your breath, your body, and your mind. Now, gently release control of the breath. Let go of the sound and allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. Notice the deep sense of peace and clarity you have cultivated. When you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes and gently open your eyes. Let's take a moment to honor the work we just did. We moved through the rising sun, shoulder release to melt tension. We flowed through the gentle Willow to bring flexibility back to our spine. We found release in the peaceful river twist. We built our strong mountain foundation for independence, and we calmed our entire system with the ocean breath. These 5 moves, when practiced consistently, are truly transformative. In Japan, there is a deep appreciation for the small and the steady. Think of the tradition of Radio Taiso simple, daily exercises that millions of people perform to maintain health into their 90 seconds and beyond. The secret isn't a 1-hour intense workout once a week. It's about these 5 or 10 minutes of daily self-care. It's about telling your body, every single day, that it is worthy of your attention. This consistency is what builds bone density, improves joint lubrication, and keeps your balance sharp. You aren't just doing exercises. You are reclaiming your freedom of movement. If these moves were easy to follow and you feel better already, type yes in the comments below. If you have questions or a specific area that still feels tight, type 2 and let me know. I read your comments to make sure these routines are serving you perfectly. Be sure to follow Senior Health Hub for more science-backed tips. Thank you for giving yourself the gift of movement today. Remember to be gentle with your body and listen to its wisdom. You hold the power to reclaim your mobility. Be well, and I look forward to seeing you in our next session.